I will also discuss the tips for designing your edible landscape. In designing your edible landscape, there are 4 things you should consider. Number 1 is mixed textures and heights, e.g. low herbs plus tall fruit trees. Number 2 is use companion planting to enhance growth. Number 3 is include pollinator-friendly plants. And number 4 is keep aesthetics in mind, symmetry, color, and year-round interest. In these 4 things to consider in designing landscape, I will discuss it one by one. Number 1, mixed textures and heights. Why it matters: combining plants of different sizes, shapes, and textures creates visual interest and improves functionality. How to do it: plant tall elements like fruit trees or trellised beans in the back or center. Layer medium height plants like peppers, kale, or herbs in front of them. Add ground cover plants like strawberries or creeping thyme to fill in gaps and prevent weeds. Number 2, use companion planting to enhance growth. Why it matters: some plants help each other grow by repelling pests, improving soil health, or attracting beneficial insects. Examples: basil and tomatoes. Basil can enhance the flavor of tomatoes and deter pests. Carrots and onions. Onions repel carrot flies and vice versa. Marigolds and everything. Marigolds help repel harmful insects in general. Tip: avoid planting species that compete or inhibit each other like beans and onions. Number 3, include pollinator-friendly plants. Why it matters: pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds are essential for the production of fruits and vegetables. Without them, many edible plants won't bear much or any fruit. Best choices: lavender, nasturtiums, calendula, sunflowers, and echinacea are both beautiful and attract pollinators. Choose native flowering plants for your region for best results. Bonus: these flowers can also serve as edible garnishes or ingredients. Number 4, keep aesthetics in mind, symmetry, color, and year-round interest. Why it matters: an edible garden doesn't have to look messy. With thoughtful design, it can be just as elegant and attractive as any ornamental garden. Tips: use symmetry or repeating patterns to create structure. Choose plants with colorful foliage like rainbow chard or vibrant fruit like red peppers or purple eggplants. Add evergreens or perennials like rosemary, sage, or bay leaf to maintain interest in winter. Pro tip: group plants with similar sunlight and water needs to simplify maintenance and make the garden thrive. And there you have it, some of the best plants to create a stunning edible landscape. What are your favorite plants to grow in your garden? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a fellow plant lover. Happy planting! Thanks for watching, and click the bell notification so that you will be notified on my next video.